Hi guys. Today I'm interviewing Kayla, and she's on the Purple Turtles, right?
Yeah.
Purple Turtles. Woo. Okay. So, anyways, what are you looking for in this game? Your match against.
I'm looking to do well. I'm hoping my team does well. Even if we don't win, I still want us to perform well. I feel like that's pretty important for us to perform well, so we at least feel like we did good.
Yeah, improvement is good. Okay. So do you think you got some tough competition? Like, how do you feel about your competition against the Blue Blizzards?
I feel like it's definitely going to be pretty difficult. I mean, Tyler and Becton together is just like power couple. Like, it's crazy.
Yeah.
You should see what they're doing out of the pit, but what they're doing in the pit is crazy. I mean, they're doing some pretty crazy stuff in the pit, and it's going to be really hard to combat that, but we just got to try. We got to try.
Yeah, that's always good. How do you feel about your teammates?
My teammates? I feel like it's pretty good. I would say we have a pretty solid team.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Well, we'll see you guys in the game. Hi guys. I'm interviewing again. And here I have Tyler from the Blue Blizzards.
Yes.
All right, how do you feel about today's game?
I feel pretty good. You know, it's definitely not an easy matchup. You know, Cleo's a great player. Emily's a great player. Kayla and Jay are also great defenders. So it's not going to be an easy matchup by any means, but I definitely have faith and confidence that we can go in there and we can just do what we got to do.
Yeah, how do you feel about your competition? Well, I guess you already answered that. Okay, how do you feel about your teammates?
I feel great, you know. Becton obviously is the reigning MVP for a reason, and he is a big part of our success.
Yeah.
I feel like I didn't play at my best yesterday, but I feel good going into today. Isaac played awesome yesterday. You know, as a new player, I wasn't sure what to expect, and he went in there and played some great defense. Really liked what I saw, and now we have Becton's older brother Gavin on our team as well, and I'm excited to see what he can do.
Yeah.
He's a bit of a wild card here, which I'm excited to hopefully use a little bit to our advantage. Kind of use it as a little bit of misdirection and help use it to catch the other team off guard a little bit, but yeah, that's kind of it.
Yeah, is there anything that you're looking forward to in the game?
Just having fun, playing some Gaga ball, you know, hopefully taking some wins, having some good games.
Yeah.
That's kind of all, you know, and also I got to redeem myself a little bit from yesterday. Not my best day, but as long as we have fun playing Gaga ball, that's really all that counts at the end of the day. So
yeah, practice makes perfect. I don't know if that applies, but yeah.
No, it definitely does. It definitely does.
All right, well, thanks for interviewing.
Of course.
Guess who? It's your favorite commentator. Wait, did I say that right? Anyways, we got the Purple Turtles against the Blue Blizzards. Okay, so we're gonna have the team captains do rock, paper, scissors. Personally, my favorite is paper. I don't know why. Maybe rock. And Blue Blizzards win the rock, paper, scissors. Not the game. All right, and we're gonna have Becton throw it in. All right, who's gonna go for it? Who's gonna go for it? And there we go. We have a game started. Oh, and yep, she's. Wait, is Emily out? All right, Emily is out. So we got a.
We're gonna reset the tap on that because you can tap it again. You're fine, and you won't get out.
Okay. Wait, what team is he on? Okay, anyways. All right, we got some competition going. I think is it a 3v1? I think it is. Oh, and yeah. Oh, first game already got Cleo out. All right. Okay. Oh, Emily, get back in there, you silly goose. All right. Go, ball. All right, who's gonna go? Oh, and we got our first hit. Ooh.
Nice.
All right. We got some hitting against the wall going. We got some. Ooh, I bet that could have been caught. I think. All right. Yeah, we got some safeness going on because I can hear it. All right.
Purple Turtles, go for the ball.
Yeah, Purple Turtles. Listen to them. Okay, so we got some more hitting against the wall. Oh, back and forth, back and forth. Ooh. Oh, and the first out. For the Purple Turtles. Okay, we got some hitting back and forth again. Ooh, is that out? That's not out of the pit. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. Ooh, I think that's a out. I think, yeah, I was right. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. I think we got a 2v2. Yep. Whoa, she read my mind.
Okay.
All right, we are. Ooh, that was safe. That was safe. Okay. Beckton's hitting against the wall once again. Ooh, a kick to the face. Oh, and he's out. Okay, Emily is in a 2v1. Let's see how she does. Okay, back and forth. Some blocking going. Oh. Was that out? Was that out?
If y'all want to look at it, you can. No, it's fine. No, if y'all want to look at it and make a call, you can. Y'all are the refs.
Safe? Alright, he's safe. Let's keep on going. Come on, Emily. You got this. Well, everyone's got this. Yeah. Okay, so we got some more back and forth. Back and forth. Ooh, nice dodge? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have some blocking going. Ooh, could have been caught. That's alright. Holy is right, I think. Okay, ooh, that's out of the pit. Let's see if we'll get it in time. If not, it's a 1v. Is he safe? Alright, he's safe. We're gonna keep on going. I think we're gonna throw it into the pit. Emily's gonna do that for us. Alright. Go. Alright, let's go. Alright, nice block by Emily. I learned what that is. Oh, Blue Blizzards get another win, I think. So we got 2-0. Yep, 2-0. Yeah. Oh, another Kobe LeBron James action. Ooh, that's out of the pit. Let's see if she'll get it in time. Luckily, it stayed right next to it. Alright. Ga, ball. Alright, who's gonna go for it? Emily gets it. Oh, that's out of the pit once again. Oh my gosh. I think the ball likes running away. Oh, is he gonna get it? Okay, he did it. Alright, so we're gonna have some. Oh, wow. This is the wrong sport, my man. Just kidding, it's a joke. Oh, I'm so funny. Okay, let's keep on going. We're gonna have some hitting going on. Oh my gosh. Third time. Oh boy. And they just lost a player. Alright, he's gonna throw it. Let's see if it'll get over here. Ooh, and it's still out of the pit. You could say that the ball is Spider-Man and he's, what's the movie called? Far From Home? Yeah. Alright. Oh, I swear if it's out. Oh my gosh. The ball really does not want to stay. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's be... Yeah. Let's go softer with the ball next time. I'm throwing it back in. Listen to my advice, y'all. Oh, another LeBron Kobe James. Alright, guys. Let's go. Okay, so she's gonna hit it. We're gonna have some more hitting. Oh, and they're out. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. It's crazy. Okay, guys. Go. Alright, guys. So we got some back and forth. Yeah, he's safe. I think this is a 3v1 actually. We got a 3v1. I didn't say that, but that's what we got. Ooh, Cleo is out. Was that out? Is that out?
Wait, hold on. No. You don't call. I call it. We're not calling.
He does not call it. It's the refs. If the Blizzards win this next one,
we only get one challenge per match, so.
We'll get it. Wait, that means that purple has a chance.
Stop the cap.
So here we go. Ga, ball. Ooh, okay, who's going for it? And Tyler gets it. Ooh, okay. Nice dodging. Ooh, back and forth, and he catches it. Emily is out. Okay, see, throwing it back in once again. Ball hits the wall, and now he gets it. Ooh, hit the head, I think. He's okay, because he said that. Alright, guys, we're gonna having some back and forth. Again, oh, hitting against the wall to get a good shot. Ooh. Ooh. The splits to avoid it. Oh. Alright, they're getting the ball. Man. The ball is going through it, man.
Did you take like a gymnast class over like the 6 months you've gone?
Over the 6 months we're gone. Okay, we got some. Okay, Kayla is out. We got 2v2. Ooh, bug in my hair. Ooh, more ballet skills by Cleo. Okay. Let's see.
Come on, Cleo, you got this.
Alright, Cleo is getting a clear shot. Or trying to, I think. Something like that.
Fireworks!
Alright. I'm gonna laugh at the joke I didn't hear. Okay, let's see, we got some hitting it against the wall again for another shot. Not gonna take what? Shot. I think that's how the song goes. You guys can sing along too. Alright, we got some more back and forth. Oh, and Cleo's ball was caught.
It's fine. Alright, that's match 1.
Oh, okay, so the Blue Blizzards take the team. And I think it was actually a 3v1. To be honest, I don't really know what goes on in Gaga Ball. You tell me. Alright, we're going in for round 2, right? Alright, and we got... Ooh, okay. Who's gonna hit it? Oh, Emily goes for it, but she doesn't get it. Alright. Pretty sure. Alright, we got some hitting against the wall once again. Cleo tries to go for it, and he, oh my gosh, Cleo, be careful. Those gymnastics really coming in. Okay. Ooh, and the ball is out once again. Wait, did someone get out? Okay, Emily got out. I don't think I said that. Okay. Alright, guys. Alright, we're getting it thrown in. Alright. He's gonna go for it, I'm pretty sure. Okay, and he goes for it. Okay, Benlock takes it. Cleo dodges it, blocks it, and gets hit in the face for the not once, but second time. Oh, be careful, be careful.
Oh, you good, Jay?
Oh, and she falls. It's alright. Can get back up again.
You good?
Oh, and
Okay, leave me hanging, that's fine.
she's out. Alright, so we got a... Alright, we're gonna hit it against the wall again. I kind of forget the words to how this game works. Okay. Oh, that gets Cleo, and blue team takes the win. Alright, guys, we're gonna throw it in. Ball. Alright, we're gonna go for it. Alright, oh my gosh, Cleo, calm down. Alright, we're gonna have some hits. Oh, first out for the purple turtles. Like, first person out. Alright, safe. Yep. Alright, Emily's gonna hit it. Emily's gonna hit it once again. Tyler, okay. I thought Tyler was gonna hit that. Okay, oh, I don't know if you guys can really see that, but we got some more back and forth going. Oh, double tap by who? Emily double taps. Bye, Emily. Okay.
We're still going.
Still going.
You're good. Just play right here. Play from right there.
Yeah.
Sigma.
Okay, I think we got a 1v3 once again. Alright, guys. He's gonna go for it. Oh, and the ball is out. Who's gonna go for it? Cleo's going for it. Okay. Oh, is he safe? Is he safe? Okay, he's safe.
Anna, did you just say that's what that meant?
What?
Yeah, just don't play.
All right, I think Cleo's throwing it in. Oh, that's a high one. Gaga ball. All right, guys. Ooh,
Y'all see that clip of balls, balls, balls?
what the heck? Ooh, that got him. All right, Blue Blizzards take that win again.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. That's right. Yeah, because Gavin.
Oh, my fingers. Hey, guys.
Ready?
All right, ready? Go. Go.
Ball. Gavin, you take that. Same thing.
Yeah, quite the joke. All right, let's keep going.
Yep.
Oh,
Sorry, Jay.
and Jay's out. Ooh, almost fell out of the pit. My goodness.
That was really high up.
Oh, okay, so they're doing like a monkey in the middle. Oh, I think Cleo's out. We got a.
Oh my gosh.
Is this a 1v3? Emily? Oh my gosh. Gosh, is she gonna take this for the team? Take it for the team? Okay, let's see it. Oh. Let's be careful, guys.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, was there a double tap in this?
It looked like, I don't know.
Are you calling review?
Never mind.
I gotta
never mind.
rock my chocolate. Okay. So we're going.
Can a ref call review?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, at any point?
Yes.
Alright.
Oh, at any point.
A bunch of times in a row, but...
Do you want to?
Are they gonna do a ref review? Okay, they're not.
I think he blocked it, then it hit his hand.
Okay, just keep playing it for
Yeah, just keep playing.
Alright, they're gonna keep playing. That was. I guess he's safe. Ooh, that's out.
Go, Emily.
Okay, Emily.
One.
Oh, I think he got it. That was not pretty far from the pit. Yeah, but isn't far from the tree. Wait, I think that's not exactly what that means, but you guys get the idea.
I thought he was gonna catch it and get you out.
Alright. Ga ball. Oh, oops. No. Oopsie, guys.
Well, you're good.
Oh, okay, Emily is.
Was that safe?
Was that a block by
Okay,
Emily?
okay.
Okay,
I just
yeah,
wanted to
she's
make
safe. She's safe. Alright, Emily, is she gonna do this for her team? Alright, back and forth. Gets hit in the wall to get a good shot.
Okay, Emily.
Oh, it's out. Okay, Emily. Oh, I don't know if she'll be safe.
You gotta vault over the wall, bro. You could have got that if you like.
Blue Blizzards take the win.